Are your eyes not only your windows to your soul, but also the windows to your health? I recently found out about something called iridology. And this is the study of the iris. That's right, that little color part that's in your eye. It's absolutely fascinating. And here are all of the disclaimers. I am not a medical professional. Iridology is not sanctioned by any medical association. It is not sanctioned by scientists. And it's seen by a lot of those in the medical profession as quackery. So I felt along those same lines, like, how can somebody just scan your eye and be able to tell you what your health situation is? So a friend of mine went to go have this done and they got really great results. So I decided to try the same thing because there's some challenges that Western doctors haven't been able to figure out, tie together, and so on. So I went in as a total skeptic, had my eye scan, did not give them any medical background. And when I received the results, I was absolutely floored at how accurate this is. So, for all the details, you can go ahead and click on the link below, and I give a little more explanation. But, you know, you might be thinking, okay, what does this have to do with time management? Okay, this is not a health channel, but people spend a lot of time trying to figure out what's wrong, figure out how to take care of things, set up doctor's appointments. If you can even get through to the office, it takes a lot of time. So, if there is an alternative to where you can get some information, it's not the cure for everything, but if you can get some information to help you on your journey to cut back some of that lost time of spinning your wheels, then I'm all for it. So, if you or somebody you know is in this situation where you just like some more information or a different perspective about a health situation or challenge, then consider iridology. Just make sure you complete your due diligence when it comes to checking the background of a facility you're going to. And again, I have that in the link below as far as what to be on the look for. So, yeah, consider it. Iridology sounds kind of quackery, yeah, but it might be helpful for you.